Dagger. Author: Sparks Wyverny and Mimi Drac. About. My rating: Snowflake, 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 snowflake. What I like: the cold. Dislike: unknown. Favorite food: birds, mammals, and fish. Height: 7 feet. Weight: 50 pounds. Dagger is a blizzard slasher from the mountains of Antarctica. Fire type: 0 Kelvin blast. This blast is -273.15 degrees Celsius. Abilities: Asterisk flight: by combining liquid nitrogen inside his body and heating it around at room temperature will lead to an explosion, expelling the pressed gas through his calves, making him airborne. Asterisk thermal vision. Asterisk amphibious. Asterisk highly reflective wings. Asterisk frost pulse. Personality: Dagger is said to be a bloodthirsty, ferocious cutthroat. Dagger is shown to be very vicious and sadistic in combat, preferring to shred his opponents up close with his hook hands. Dagger is sometimes considered to be Sparks's most brutal and violent ally.